Right, next one. Now they want you to draw a box and whiskers. It's number 1.3. Now the box and whiskers is basically a graphical representation of your 5-number summary. The 5-number summary being your minimum value, which is this one here. That's, I'll write it there, the minimum, all the way up to the maximum, and the quartiles in between. There's my 5 numbers: minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. Now, what's important for the box and whisker is that you draw it to scale. So I have to have a little number line. Now let's just make sure. No, they don't give you a diagram sheet for this one. You have to draw it yourself. So I'll set up a little number line. Right. And let's break that up. Let's see, lowest value, let's say about 25 up to 65. Right. So I'm going to start my number line there at 25. I'm going to go 30. There we go. 65, 60, 50, 40, and 30. So now I've got my number line. So what am I supposed to do now? Now I have to plot these as a box and whisker. Now your box and whisker, where does it start? 27, that's my minimum. So 25, 27 right there, and I draw my little line there, right? Then at 32, that's 35, there's 32. There's the beginning of my, I'll write the values in there. Well, minimum, maximum, I'm going to say there 27. Not maximum, my bad. Q1, that's 32. Q2 is 42. Q2, that's at 42. Q3 is 46. That's very close. 46. Q3, 46. And then my maximum value at 62. Right, now the box and whiskers, there's my box. And the whiskers on the side. There we go. There I've now displayed my data graphically, and now from this I can see the spread of the data, which will be the next question they ask, obviously. Let's see. Yes, use the box and whisker diagram to comment on the points scored by the players in this team. Now if you look at the spread of the data, now the box is the indication for us of how the spread of the data is, how the distribution is. This is skewed to the left. See the bigger gap here? The biggest gap is between Q1 and Q2, to the left side, to the negative side. So it's negatively skewed or skewed to the left, right? And you can say that. Now, what you notice here is that the whisker on that side is basically covers almost half the distance here. But that is because if you notice the data there, these ones here at the end, all the values are fairly close together, and then suddenly there's big jumps at the end, right? They call that, well, we can actually work out whether those would be considered to be outliers. I think actually they might not fall in the range of outliers, but they are fairly large compared to the rest of the team, right?